It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about NIO stock. During the course of the last month, NIO is up 21%. NIO is currently trading at $50.24, entering the trading week for tomorrow. As we all know, the 4th of July, the markets were closed. We're going to be talking about an option play here that we're going to be playing. It's an option play that, of course, many of you could and should consider. Whether you play the option or not, that's totally on you, of course. Just a quick disclaimer before we continue. I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So let's take a look here at the little play that we got set up coming up for the week. So you're going to go to trade options here for NIO. We're going to get the call for July 23rd. Actually, no. Let's play it a little farther out. July the 30th. Right here, we're going to have this a buy call for $51. All you gotta do is hit the add right here. So that's going for $3.30, which of course when you pick up the contract, because it is 100 stocks, that gets multiplied, and bang, right here it should cost you $330. That's the play that I personally would go for. If you want to play something a little closer that's going to cost you less because of the time, you could always go to that July 23rd play. One contract for July the 23rd would be less. Let's go back actually, just to see what it would cost you. Right here, NIO, you're going to trade options. Check that 23rd play for July. I'm gonna go a little further down here. $51. Boom, it's gonna come out to $289. That would be the call. I would go for the one that is a week further out, so the July 30th call. Now, as for NIO, the thing to consider, why go into this call for NIO? In tipranks.com, as you see, the overall analysis review, the smart score for NIO, it has a 9 out of 10 for the performance. Look at this, it is going to outperform. A few things down here, the consensus for NIO is a strong buy at the moment. The average price target, $63.63. The sentiment is bullish. The trend here for the hedge fund activities, it has increased. They're buying more NIO. You think You think the hedge fund is getting in to lose? Absolutely not. They have increased their position, as you could see. TipRanks investors, the sentiment was very negative. This was, of course, over the last 30 days, as you could see, 1.7%. But let's just take a look here actually at NIO and how it was doing over the course of the last month, right? We said it has that huge increase at 21%. So being that NIO was down all the way to $40 here, near 41, that could be one of the reasons that the sentiment was very negative. The new sentiment in the last 7 days, bullish. We have 88% that is bullish versus 13 that is bearish. The technicals have been positive. So overall, we have momentum building for NIO. Just a quick article here from Seeking Alpha. NIO may grow even faster than expected. Let's just take a look at some bullet points real quick right here, because we gotta have something going for us if we're gonna make a play, right? NIO's June deliveries grew at an impressive rate. The Chinese EV maker returned to triple-digit delivery growth last month, helped by strong year-over-year growth in NIO's flagship model, ES6. NIO is set to overcome production setbacks and ramp up production in the second half of 2021. So overall, NIO is looking real bullish. As I said, make that option play. Once again, we're going to show you one last time right here. July the 30th. This is the one I would go for. $51 call. Break-even price is $54.30. After that, it's an all-out profit. It would be $330, okay? So that's what we're going for. If you have $330 to play with, to invest, that's all on you. Whether you want to get it or not, of course, that's up to you. That's the thing with options. They could be real tricky sometimes. When somebody loses out on an option play, they blame the person they get the play from or the person that had the idea of the play. But when they win, that person never gets credit. They just think of themselves as a genius. But all the signs are pointing in a positive direction, of course, for NIO. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, keep it real, give it a thumbs down, because the news ain't stopping. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Stay notified and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.